Hey, well, this is my B5 S4, and if you all know B5s in any way, you all know that the 2.7 is notorious for, just going bad. When they work, but when they don't, they don't. And most of the time, it's an engine out job. So, this is mine, and it's in good spec, but believe it or not, it has been down for way longer than I have actually owned it. Way too long. 3 years, if not more, undriven. While I only drove it for maybe what, I don't know, 7 months. You will see more about it, but what makes this car famous to me is the engine. Well, all for the wrong reasons. Let me tell you why. The engine in it that I'm going to show you is actually the 6th engine that I'm putting in. 6th one. 6. Remember that number. So I'm hoping that 6 time is the charm. Well, and the only difference between this and the others is that this is my first bell. You see, no, it's all covered up, but yeah, this is my first bell engine, so hopefully this one will last. There are some changes between the bell and I believe the APB that normally comes with the S4. The bell comes in the, I think, the all-road and other cars, but I'm not too sure. Well, hopefully I get this one running, and it actually is a good engine. All the other engines I bought for it basically failed on me. Smoked, or I actually had one engine that I bought that had sand in it, literal sand in the cylinders. So, well, yeah, 6 time the charm. Let's hope. Cross our fingers. All right, catch you all on the flip side. In my quest to get all my cars running this summer, this is obviously one of them, and it is unfortunately infamous for all the wrong reasons. Why? I cannot get a good engine to save my life for this car. Everywhere I buy, or whoever I buy from, has basically sold me a bad engine. This is not me crying about it, just telling you all. I've used different vendors. This one is my first Bell engine that I have in it, so hopefully 6 time the charm. But yes, I've put in 6 engines in this car. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hopefully it turns out to be a good one, doesn't smoke, doesn't make noise, and you all will definitely be getting updates and videos on this car in the very near future. But it is taking a while because I'm new to this, and to be quite honest and frank, suck at it. My videos are crap. I might give you all like outtakes of it or something like that because it's hilarious. I'm blocking the recording half the time. It's not being moved to show exactly what's going on. You see people stretching, but they don't know what they're doing. It's hilarious looking back at these videos, but I'll get better at it. Well, hopefully get better at it. All right, catch you all later.